So looking at these slopes, I count 4 lines. Here's my first line, A, B. I'm going to start just by listing where all my coordinates are. I skipped that step. A is at -2, +7. B is at +3, +7. C is at 4, 2. And D is at -2, 1. Okay, now I'm going to solve AB. Y2 minus Y1 over X2 minus X1. That gives me 0 over 5, which is just 0. Notice too that my line is horizontal, which tells me that has a slope of 0. Similarly, look at AD. If I tried to solve AD, I would get 1 minus 7 over -2 minus -2, which would be -6 over 0. Nothing divides by 0, and that's why that line is undefined. You could have a shortcut just because you know that that line is vertical, so we know automatically that it's undefined. Solving for my last two. I have AC here. I'm predicting that this is going to be negative just based on looking at it. I have 2 minus 7 over 4 minus -2. 2 minus 7 is -5. 4 minus -2 is 6. So the slope of AC is -5 over 6. Finally, I have DC. This one looks positive. So I have 1 minus 2 over -2 minus 4. So this is -1 over -6. 2 negatives equals a positive, so we have +1 over 6. Okay, now that I've done all the math, remember your shortcuts. Let's say that you had forgotten how to subtract and divide. Rise over run, we can always count. So for example, for D over C, I could see that this has a rise of 1 and a run of 6. You can always use that method. I'm not going to tell you have to use the formula every time. If you have a picture, use it. That's what it's there for. If you know another strategy to get to the right answer, I hope that you use what you know.